Okay, so the other side looks like that. Looks pretty much the same. And that's just one wedding applique, just folded over. Now, you guys, some of you are going to ask me, like, where do you get these wedding appliques? Okay, you guys can get them everywhere. These are the different ideas. If you have, well, right now, we're all pretty much in our houses. So, for right now, I mean, you could probably go on eBay and start looking. That's a good place to go. You can go on eBay and look up laces, wedding appliques, wedding dresses, trims. Okay, so this is what I want to say. Anytime you want to get trim, unless you can go to a thrift store or a flea market, I would get my trims when they're 50% off. When Hobby Lobby opens back up, you can get your trims there. You can get any of your finer trims and laces like that to do finishing things, Hobby Lobby. But like wedding appliques and all of that, I would look at thrift stores and flea markets. You can go on eBay, but you're going to pay a little bit. But if you can go to thrift stores and if you have flea markets, that's really good because you're going to get the best deal there. Thrift stores would probably have them. Also, look at dresses. Look at dresses, look at blouses, and see if you can't cut them up and take the appliques off of them, or the trims, or the laces. Also, if you can find a wedding dress for like $20, $25, $30. A lot of times they want to sell them for $100 at the thrift store. They're crazy. But I have found probably 3 or 4 wedding dresses, and they're full of, we'll look for ones that are full of wedding appliques. And you can maybe pick one up and get lucky and pick one up for $20, $25. I picked up one for $5. I went to the, what is it called? It's the outlet. It's the, Goodwill outlet. Some people call it the pound store because you buy it by the pound. So I bought this wedding dress by the pound. I paid $5 for it. And you guys, it's full of wedding appliques. It's fabulous. So those are some ideas of where you can start getting and collecting this type of stuff. Oh, garage sales, because that's the first place I found my big collection from my fairy godmother, which I told you guys that story of where I found my, that's really got me started in this whole world of being able to do work like this. Now you can do work like this that's boho and like gypsy, but you can do very shabby chic also. You know, like I'll show you. Olivia made me this. Okay, like I told you, you guys have to go see Olivia Hernandez's channel. This is a bottle that she altered, and it's gorgeous. Sits right at my desk with me. See, it's a bottle. Isn't that gorgeous? The bottle alone is gorgeous. But look at her work. Is that gorgeous? This is the kind of work I'm talking about, you guys. Absolutely gorgeous. You can do this kind of stuff on anything. She did it on a bottle. You can do it on a handbag. You can do it on whatever. And then this is the back. And I didn't even realize this, but she filled this. I mean, I knew at the time, but I forgot. She filled this with pearls, which is fabulous because I can use those pearls. Okay. I have a ton of pearls, but, you know, if I need more pearls, I have that. Let me just put this back. It sits right in front of me. So many things she's made me just sit right in front of me because they're so beautiful to look at and they're so inspirational. I love Olivia's work. She was probably one of the first person that I got 9 years ago, I don't know how long it's been, that I reached out to and asked her if she wanted to do a swap because I really loved her work and I really had stylized myself around her and I had done quite a few projects and she'd seen my work and I guess she thought it was good enough at the time and we swapped and we made each other some really beautiful gifts. So that was really fun. And then ever since then we've been great friends. Okay, so I think that's it. Is that... Oh, no, I want to show you one other thing I got for my birthday. What time do we have? How much time do we have on this video? Oh, I'm already to part 2. It's okay. Okay, I want to show you guys something my husband got for my birthday. So these are birthday gifts. All this is birthday gifts to myself. And, you know, and the reason I did this is I saw someone do a hashtag, make yourself some gifts. Birthday gifts or gifts. Because how many times are we doing projects because it's for a swap or it's for a video or, you know what I'm saying? Sometimes it's just nice to make whatever the hell you want to make. And these gifts are for you. So these are things that I've been wanting to make for a long time that I hadn't made. I wanted to make chunky charms. I made them for myself. I wanted to alter the purse, the makeup bag, and the eyeglass case, and for all of it to match. I'm so excited. I can't even stand it. But this is... my husband got me some beautiful gifts. He got me some more turquoise jewelry, which I cannot believe he did. It's coming in the mail, I think, tomorrow. I'll show it to you guys when I get it. But the other thing he gave me for my birthday were some teapots. I'm an avid teapot collector. I love collecting teapots. Me and my husband did some bank track roller derby. You know, from the 70s. Most of you who watch my channel know what I'm talking about. Remember the bank track roller derby from the 70s? Well, we do that. Well, we did do that. And we still do it. It's just, you know, right now we're not. There's a team called the San Francisco Bay Bombers in San Francisco. And we perform in front of an audience of like, I don't know, a lot. Maybe 2,000, 3,000 people. And we do that old school 70s roller derby. And so my husband loves to collect everything with roller skating. And so and I love it too, of course. But this is a roller skate. Isn't this so cool? Look at the wheels. It's a teapot. And I'm so obsessed. I love this color. Absolutely love this. My husband's constantly shopping on eBay. That's where he got on eBay somewhere. There's the lid. So I have a tea wall in my room. It's a very shallow shelf, very narrow, shallow shelf, and it's all teapots and teapots and teacups. And this will go on the shelf. And then he knew that's where I would put it. So that's why he got me my favorite color, so it matched all the colors in my craft room. Look at this pink one. Is this so cute, you guys? I am so obsessed. Okay, look at this. Isn't that gorgeous? Oh, I'm so glad I'm this close up right now. You guys, I wish I could have been just laid out my purse and been this close on my purse, but it was so big. It's kind of hard. But look how cool that is. And then here's the lid for this. Isn't this just adorable? Oh my God. I am so in love with this. So you guys, I think that's everything. Yeah, that is everything. You guys, everyone stay safe and stay as calm and happy as you can. And since we have to be at home, I know I'm talking to mostly crafters and artists, you guys, so let's art and craft away. It's going to make our heart happy. Make some things for yourself that you've wanted to make, that you've been putting off. It's the time to do it now. Make yourself happy right now, because what we're going through is very stressful. I'm sure it's very sad. I'm sure it'll get even a little more sad, probably a lot more sad. So do things to make yourself happy so you can get through this. And you know, arting and crafting is the way we are happy anyway. So do more crafting and more arting. Okay, you guys? I think that's really going to help us all get through what we're going through right now with this whole coronavirus. I think that's it. Oh, another thing. I have a channel. I have a group called, what the hell is the name of the group? Our Magical Little Place. It's on Facebook. Come join. Whatever crafting you do, you make chunky charms. If you make, if you do boho purses or shabby chic purses or shabby, any of that kind of lacy work that I just showed you guys, you can show that. If you paint, draw, color, whatever your art is, come share it with everyone in the group. And everyone's very nice in the group and very supportive. The link will be below. And that is it. Oh, real quick, I am going to be making some videos here soon. I'm going to try to make a ton of videos, you guys. I also spin art yarn. If you don't know what that is, that's going to be coming up soon. I'm going to do a video on spinning art yarn. I'm going to do a bunch of mixed media videos like I always do. I'm going to try to start pumping those out. Also, I do some Finnabar inspired art. And I think the Finnabar inspired art is the one that's coming up next. Yeah, that's the one that's coming up next. So I'm going to try to just do as many videos as I can and spread as much joy and happiness around and positivity as I possibly can at these times. It'll make me happy. Hopefully it will make you happy, and we can get through this. So, you know, just kind of look at all this, I think, as an opportunity to get to spend more time with your family, with your husband. You get to craft more, you get to knit more, you get to crochet more, you get to art more, and we get to craft more. So, too bad it's under these conditions, but we can take it, at least turn some of these lemons into lemonade. Okay, you guys, that is it. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, I'd love for you to do so. If you can give this video a thumbs up, that'd be great. Any comments or questions, leave them below. Come visit me on Facebook and Instagram. Come join our group, Our Magical Little Place. Everything I just said links and clickable links are below. All right, you guys. I'll talk to you guys in the next video. Bye. Take care of yourselves.